Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to add your channel tag. So guys, at first I want to say that channel tag is most important for your YouTube channel, and it can viral easily for your channel. So guys, if I search anything like PUBG, I get a lot of channel. Look at this. I open any channel randomly. Okay guys, then scroll down and look at this. This is Taka's channel, and on the scroll down you get channel tag. Look at this, there have channel tag. It can find her channel easily. Look at this, he used a lot of takas PUBG Mobile, solo versus squad, a lot of channel tag he used. And if you used like that, and your channel gonna viral fast, and you can find your channel easily, and anyone can find your channel easily. So guys, you need to use this channel tag. That's very important for your YouTube journey and YouTube life. So if you add, you should go to your YouTube studio. Okay guys, after open your YouTube studio, then scroll down and you should go to settings option. Click it. Okay guys, then go to channel option and scroll down and you get keyword, and that's your channel key. Just write your channel tag here. Just give here your channel tag a lot of, like 15 is good for your channel. So then save it. Okay guys, in this way you can add your channel tag or channel keyword very easily. That's very good for your channel. So guys, if you get more benefit from watching my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.